Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to edit CamScanner PDF file easily, step by step, using all the helpful tools built right inside the app. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the CamScanner app. Make sure you're using the latest version to avoid any issues with editing tools or features. Step 2. In the main menu, you'll see all your scanned documents. Find the CamScanner PDF file you want to edit and simply tap on it to open it. Step 3. Once the file is open, look at the bottom of the screen for the Edit button. Tap on it, and you'll get access to multiple editing options. If you want to crop the PDF, select the Crop tool, adjust the layout to your liking, and then confirm it by tapping the check mark. Wait a few seconds for it to apply. Step 4. To erase any existing text or content from your PDF, tap the Smart Erase option at the bottom menu. After that, find the part you want to remove, use your finger to erase it, and confirm it to apply the changes. Step 5. To add new text, select the Add Text button also located at the bottom. Then, tap on the area where you want the text to appear. Now, manually type your text, set its position, and confirm to save the edits. Step 6. If you decide to draw or highlight something on the PDF, choose the brush option from the toolbar. After that, pick your desired color, adjust the brush size as needed, and use your finger to draw directly on the file. Once you're happy, hit confirm. Step 7. Finally, if you want to insert a watermark into your PDF, tap the watermark icon at the bottom. Now type the text you want as your watermark, then choose where you'd like it placed on the page. Once done, confirm it, and your watermark will be added successfully. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.